Hello, welcome to my YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, click the subscribe button below. Today's topic is how to play music video in screen off. So let's go to the video. To make this, you need a small app. First, open the Play Store app and search for VideoTube and open this app. Then, if you like, sign in and play a video and go to home. Then you can watch the video playing in the notification bar. You can play it even if the screen is off. This can also save your phone's battery. Then the job is done. Goodbye.